Welcome everyone, it's good to see you again and thanks for joining me for this video. Today I will be sharing the answer to the question, what can I do about all the extra holiday decor I no longer use? 'Tis the season, or soon it will be, for holiday cheer, laughter, and of course decorations. But if you're like many of us, you might have accumulated an excessive amount of holiday decor over the years. Don't worry, we're here to help you simplify your holiday decor and make this festive season a little more manageable. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about a really good reason to begin downsizing your holiday decor sooner than later, especially if you're planning a future move. As the years go by, our collections tend to grow, and it can become a source of stress when we start thinking about downsizing. Questions about what to take and how to best store it can be emotionally draining if we're trying to decide during the midst of a move. By doing it now, you not only free up some space in your home, but you also free up some space in your mind, alleviating the otherwise inevitable decision fatigue that comes with downsizing. So you're on board, but don't know where to start. Here are 5 steps we at Senior Downsizing Experts recommend to help you start your holiday decor declutter project. Number 1, make the firm decision you're going to simplify and set a timeline for completing the process. Embrace the idea of reducing your holiday decor collection in advance so that you can focus on the beauty of the holiday season when it arrives, rather than the overwhelm of too many choices. Number 2, find a space where you can lay out your holiday decor and categorize it. There will be 4 categories, including keep for future use, give to family or friends, donate, or dispose. Be sure to ask for a little support if having to get items out of the attic or creative storage spots. Now, this is the fun part. Step number 3. For the items you choose to give to family or friends, take some time to write down any stories or history related to those pieces. Sharing those memories will make the gesture even more special. Step number 4. Establish a date for gifting items to family and friends and taking the donation items to the donation sites. Having a deadline will give you a sense of accomplishment and closure. Lastly, step number 5. Pack up only the items you plan to keep for future use. Label the containers and store them until the next holiday season or for an upcoming move to a new place. I hope you found these steps helpful and simple. And remember, if you need assistance with donations or people to help with attic duty, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you make this process smooth and safe. Just a reminder to be sure to take a minute to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page so that you can catch upcoming videos. Until next time, I'm Ingrid Sullivan with the Sullivan Real Estate Team and Senior Downsizing Experts. Have a great day.